This is Godsway, and this is the day in my life as a struggling forex trader who is trying to find his way to the top. In today's episode, I've gotten some more interesting stuff for you. Apart from the forex charts, I'm going to share my view on certain interesting stuff with you. Before I even forget, I'll be going to the market with my brother today, and I can't wait to share that with you. That's me laying my bed after I wake up. If there's one thing I've learned is to lay your bed early in the morning, and that helps you win the day. Now look at this chart right here carefully. I'm going to ask you a question later in this video with this particular chart. Look at where my TP is and where my SL is. You have a question to answer. Let's go. Alright, so I mostly read my Bible as my morning routine, but honestly I do not do this on every blessed day. However, I'm looking for a way to do that. So if you can help me out to read my Bible every day, please do so and help me. And of course, you can never go wrong with water. Keep yourself hydrated every day, right? So this is me doing my morning workouts. Yes, of course, I need to keep the body fit. You understand? I need to keep the body fit. I don't have to be such a weak guy in town. You understand? And I also have to keep my blood flowing as early as I wake up. So yeah, that's it. I have to do my workout. And of course, diamond push-up have to be part. And there's one thing I hate. I don't want my sweat to dry on me after my workout. So I got to take a quick shower right there. And after that, I take my lens and go to my monitor to start working. And one thing that you have to note is that you have to use your blue block lens so that it can help protect your eye. And in this case, I'm talking as a nurse right here. Let's dive into more stuff right here. Now, I'm taking notes as I watch my lessons. It's important to take note. And here is one of the lessons I've been taking.
The last selling momentum before the buy in a bullish trend. So if you remember, in one of the lessons.
All right, so that is it. And let me just tell you something right here, okay? You see, taking notes is kind of a way of learning. If you are learning and you're not taking notes, you find it difficult to even remember some of the stuff that you've learned, right? So yeah.
Before I proceed with any other thing, I want to let you know, honestly, this thing right here called forex trading is not easy. It has a lot to do. It has a lot to do with your mental health. Now, did I just say mental health? Let me just put it this way so that you not get scared. It has a lot to do with your psychology, and you need an ample time to study this thing very well. And if you're a fast learner, yes, it's a plus for you. You're going to learn this thing very fast, and yes, it's definitely going to help you in a learning process. But psychologically, you need enough time to figure things out. And I strongly believe that one day, we will all become profitable traders. And it's no more going to be like a day in a life of struggling for a trader, but maybe something else, something way better, way better. So let's all stick to the process and let's time play out. And I don't know if I should say this, but listen, as long as you are not giving up on this thing, a time is coming that you are going to celebrate. If you believe this, then put in the comment section. Just type in the comment section, I'll keep working. Honestly, I feel like giving up on several occasions. But you know what? I can't give up. It's either I become profitable or I become profitable. That's it. There's no other way. It's either I become profitable or I become profitable. That's it. This is the day in the life of a struggling forex trader who is trying to find his way to the top, become profitable. The journey is daunting, but let's see how everything is going to play out with time. Let's dive into more stuff right away.
All right, you see this chart right here. If there's one thing that you realize is that the trade has gone way beyond my TP, but my TP has not triggered. So the question for you right now is, why didn't my TP get triggered even though price went below it? price went way below it. I was in a sell trade actually, and price went below my TP. So what happened? That my TP couldn't get triggered. If you know the answer, leave it in the comment section and I'll check it out.
Got too little time, I'ma live up, head down.
Here is a note to myself, and probably you also need to listen to this. That's how come I included it in the video. Maybe it will help you. Listen to it. This is a note to my dear self. Dear self, I know the journey might be hard, daunting, and there might be so many obstacles on the way, but you just don't have to give up. I know on several occasions you feel like giving up, but is that really the choice? Is that really why you started all this? Do you think giving up will be the right thing to do? Obviously not. And lastly, did you start all this stuff only to just give up? I believe that is not the option. That is not why you started all this. I know your why is very, very strong. That is how come you started this journey some years back. So if you give up right now, you know what is going to happen? You are going to disappoint a lot of people who are looking up to you. And most importantly, you are going to disappoint yourself. And I'm pretty much sure you don't want any of those things to happen. So, I send you this message. Dear self, keep going. Keep putting in the work. A time is coming, you will celebrate your wins. And those who look up to you will equally celebrate with you. But none of this will happen if you decided to give up. If you give up, just know that you messed up. So, don't give up. Let me tell you something. The same reason for which you did not give up at the time that you lost everything, that should be the same reason why you shouldn't give up on this trading journey, because it is going to pay off definitely. Right. So, to you, my dear friends, brothers, sisters, uncles, aunties, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are watching this video right now and you have the interest in this forex trading, I want to tell you something. Don't give up. As long as you are putting in the work day in, day out, you are definitely going to get some results that will prove to yourself that indeed whatever you were doing with this forex trading wasn't just a waste of time. So I'm wishing you all the best in this trading journey, and may we all become great, profitable traders one day. So this is Godsway here, and if you're new to this channel, I basically document my life on this channel. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button if that's something that you are really interested in. And I equally provide content, educational content in relation to forex trading and crypto related stuff. So if these are something that you really want, why not go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey together. Let's see how everything will unfold. All right, it's about time to go to the market, and let's go. Right, so we are on our way to the market just to get some stuff for the house. Yeah, this is my brother driving a car. Of course, I don't have a car. I don't have a car. Maybe not now. Maybe the time will come, right? I definitely believe that the time will come as long as we keep pursuing our goals, chasing that dream. Yeah, and we are not giving up. Like, we are doing this relentlessly. Okay, so yeah, when we got to the petrol station, we have to get some fuel into the car, and it got to a point we were laughing. We were laughing because a lot of people are coming to this fuel station, and this is the main reason. This particular fuel station, I mean, the price was cheaper than others, so we've got a lot of people coming here. All right, so that's me checking some things on the chart. I hope you can see this. Yeah, that's it. Traffic for the day was so heavy, but yeah, it was good.
Forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push.
If you are thirsty, get some water right there. You see this lady running after this car? Yes, she needs to get some money today. So what are you doing today to get some money? Yeah, bro, we got to do something to make money, and trust the hustle. It's all going to pay off one day, right? So now we've gotten to the market, and yeah, we're just looking for a place to park the car and see what we're going to get.
I need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason.
Right here we're in a shop, and there are some nice things over here, but unfortunately for me, I couldn't even get one. I saw some suits over there which was very nice, but I couldn't afford it, so I left. And yeah, I'm now at I don't know how to even call this place, but I came to get some basic stuff over here. This one I could afford it, so yeah, I bought the items over there. This trap was very nice, but unfortunately my money isn't up to, so yeah, I couldn't afford it either. Right after that, we went back to the house, and this is our journey back. So today that's it, and I do hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button on the video, and also subscribe to this channel so that you become part of this family, even as I document my life as a struggling forex trader who is trying to find his way to the top. And I hope one day we'll get to the top eventually.